Oh yes, this is an official Pixel 3 XL prototype and Google itself helped confirm that. We can see clearly that it will have 4 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage with the notch. This will be either good or bad news depending on your perspective, because it confirmed that the Pixel 3 XL will have a notch just like every Android smartphone since Apple launched the iPhone X. Yes, technically Essential was the first smartphone to have a notch, but Apple popularized the design and it is the iPhone X notch shaped which is being copied. If you are okay with the notch, you won't care. If you wish Google had chosen a more original path for its design, then hoping this is an early prototype and still there is a time to change. So it's me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.